The DJI Mini 5 Pro has sparked intense excitement among drone enthusiasts, with recent leaks suggesting it could redefine the capabilities of ultralight drones. A newly disclosed FCC certification label shared via a post on the social platform X reveals a staggering upgrade, a 4,680 mAh battery rated at 33.5 watt-hours. This is a monumental leap compared to its predecessors, the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro, which already pushed boundaries with their extended battery options. The Mini 4 Pro, for instance, offered a base flight time of 34 minutes, while its Intelligent Flight Battery Plus extended that to around 47 minutes. The Mini 5 Pro's battery, however, could deliver an unprecedented 50 to 55 minutes of flight time, potentially approaching an hour under optimal conditions. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a transformative jump that could set a new standard for sub-250-gram drones. The FCC filing, a mandatory step for electronics sold in the US, lends credibility to these claims as it includes official details like model ID, regulatory approval numbers, and precise battery specifications. With such a robust power source, DJI might also incorporate faster charging, possibly leveraging their 65-watt portable charger. This combination of extended flight time and rapid recharging could make the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer for hobbyists, content creators, and professionals alike. Beyond its impressive battery, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to introduce a suite of advanced features that elevate it above its predecessors. One of the most anticipated upgrades is its camera, rumored to feature a 1-inch image sensor, a significant step up from the 1 by 1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. This larger sensor promises enhanced low-light performance, superior dynamic range, and sharper, cleaner images, making it ideal for aerial photography and videography. The camera module appears more exposed, lacking the protective side flaps found on earlier Mini gimbals, likely to enable a full 360 degrees rotation. This design, inspired by the Mavic 4 and DJI's Osmo Pocket series, opens up new possibilities for cinematic shots and creative angles. The gimbal itself is expected to be more advanced, offering smoother and more versatile movement. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro introduces front-facing LiDAR sensors, part of DJI's 3D infrared sensing system, previously seen in models like the Mavic 4 and Air 3s. These sensors, capable of detecting obstacles up to 25 meters away with a 60 degrees field of view, are optimized for low-light environments, enhancing safety and navigation. The chassis features larger sensor bulges to accommodate this system without restricting gimbal movement, showcasing DJI's commitment to balancing innovation with functionality. Under the hood, the Mini 5 Pro is engineered for superior performance. Leaks indicate more powerful motors with ventilation openings, a first for the Mini series, which could improve wind resistance and payload capacity. This design choice suggests DJI is prioritizing durability and versatility, allowing the drone to handle challenging conditions with ease. The inclusion of quick-release propellers eliminates the need for tiny screws, making setup and maintenance more user-friendly. Despite these enhancements, the Mini 5 Pro remains lightweight and foldable, staying true to the Mini series portable ethos. Storage is another area of improvement, with 32 gigs of built-in memory expected to serve as a reliable backup for users who forget their microSD cards. The drone will utilize DJI's 04 transmission system, offering a range of up to 20 kilometers, matching the capabilities of the Air 3s and Mini 4 Pro. Compatibility with the RC2 controller, RCN3 motion controller, and DJI Goggles 3 or N3 ensures versatility for both traditional and FPV pilots. Rumors also hint at futuristic features like voice command control, similar to the DJI Neo, and in-app recording, catering to vloggers and content creators. A dedicated flight mode button could allow users to trigger pre-programmed shots without a remote, adding convenience for spontaneous filming. The Mini 5 Pro's design and features position it as a trailblazer in the sub-250-gram category, but its regulatory compliance is equally noteworthy. By keeping the weight under 249 grams, DJI ensures the drone remains exempt from FAA registration for recreational use in the US, a critical advantage for casual pilots. Leaked images suggest the drone may include lightweight propeller cages styled like those on the DJI Flip to meet Category 1 requirements for flights over people without waivers. These cages, combined with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors, enhance safety while maintaining the drone's compact profile. The folding mechanism mirrors the Mini 4 Pro, but the fixed propellers and optional cages raise questions about its folded size and portability. Some speculate the armbands might twist to align with the DJI Flip's compact design, further optimizing its travel-friendly form factor. These thoughtful design choices reflect DJI's ability to innovate within strict regulatory constraints, delivering a drone that's both powerful and accessible. As anticipation builds, the question of release date and pricing looms large. Trusted leakers like Jasper Ellens and Haka Sushi initially pointed to a September 2025 launch. However, recent developments, including FCC filings and field testing footage, suggest an earlier debut, possibly as soon as August 7, 2025. This accelerated timeline has fueled speculation that DJI is rushing to secure approvals amid regulatory uncertainty in the US, where a potential ban on DJI products could take effect by December 2025 if a national security review isn't conducted. Pricing estimates place the base version, including the RCN2 controller and one battery, at around $850. The Fly More combo featuring the RC2 controller with a built-in screen and additional accessories could cost up to $1,200. This positions the Mini 5 Pro between the Mini 4 Pro at $759 and the Air 3S at $199, offering a compelling value proposition for its advanced features. If DJI delivers on the rumored 360-degree re-gimbal, 1-inch sensor, and near-hour-long flight time, the Mini 5 Pro could dominate the compact drone market, appealing to both amateurs and professionals seeking unmatched performance in a portable package. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's potential to achieve nearly an hour of flight time is more than a technical milestone. It's a testament to DJI's relentless innovation. By combining a massive battery, cutting-edge sensors, and a pro-grade camera in a sub-250G frame, the Mini 5 Pro challenges the limitations of ultralight drones. Its advanced features, from LAR-based obstacle avoidance to quick-release propellers, cater to a wide range of users, from travel vloggers to aerial cinematographers. As leaks continue to surface, the drone's early sightings in the wild and official FCC documentation confirm its imminent arrival. Whether it launches in August or September 2025, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a revolutionary addition to DJI's lineup, potentially outshining even the legendary Phantom series. For those eager to capture breathtaking footage with unprecedented freedom, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver a flight experience like no other, raising the bar for what a compact drone can achieve.